Hi everyone, welcome back again. So from today, we will start writing code for our project and we will do the first part. That means we will load our local file to S3 using Python. Okay. So for that, you need to require access key and secret access key for that. So where we will get that? So for that, come at console home in your AWS free tier account and search for IAM. And now click here. Okay, so here now you have to click on users. So you can see that I had already created an user. So I will now add another user and we will write data query. Okay, so data query is the new user, and after that you have to add user to group. So keep this as default. Click on next. Permission summary. Required password reset. No. And after that, click on create user. So your user is now created. And now click on that. And after that, go to security credential. And before going to security credentials, first click on permissions. So now you have to click on add permission here. And after that, click here on attach policies directly. And you have to search for administrator access. So you can get this administrator access here. And another is Redshift full access. Then Redshift full access. You can see that here. Uh, we get Amazon Redshift full access. So we assign two policies. One is Amazon Redshift full access and another one is administrator access. So most of the work you can get from administrator access. That means you can upload file on S3, get access to Redshift, all these. But I have additionally added one more Amazon Redshift full access and click on add permission and you can see that two policies added to data query user. Okay. Now you have to go on security credentials and here you have to click here on create access keys. Okay, and choose others. Okay, and click on next, then create access keys, and you have to save these two access keys and secret keys on your local machine. So for that, download this CSV file and you can see that now access key and secret access key are now in your local system. So to connect with Python, we need these two access keys and secret access keys. So now coming to the coding part, we have this sample code in front of us and we will walk through this code. Okay. So to implement this project, first we have to import these three libraries. So if you don't have any of these library installed in your system, so you can install this by using pip install and then give the name of the library. Like if you don't have Photo3, then pip install Photo3, and if you will run this command, then Photo3 will install into your system. Now in the first step, we will set up our log files because we are going to store every steps, either it is success or failure, whatever we will store this in our log file, and finally we will move this log file entries to MySQL for future data quality check or anything. So first we are fetching the current timestamp using datetime.now. Then in the second line we are converting this date time into a string format time. So you have to use this code now dot strf time. And here we are giving YMDHMS, that means year, month, date, hour, minute, second. So this is the format in which we want to store our time. And in the third line, you can see that we are assigning log file name. So the log file name is local to Redshift, and its suffix will be uh, the time string whatever we are getting from here. So this curly bracket is used as place variable. So in the place of these two curly braces, we are using time string. Okay. And finally, we are configuring our log. So we are using file name as log file name. That means whatever the log will create will store in this file, and the file mode is write, and label is logging log dot info. Okay. So now we will move to the most important part of this code. So here in the first step, we will create a S3 session, or you can say that this is not a S3 session, it is a AWS session. Okay. And using this session, you can connect with any AWS resource. Like here, we are using S3, so we will connect to S3 resource. Okay. So in the first session, you will write session is equal to go to 3 dot session. We had import go to 3 here, and we will give AWS access key ID. So here is our AWS access key ID. Okay. So this is the AWS access key ID. So we will copy and paste it here, and same for AWS secret access key. Okay. So this is our secret access key, and we will paste it here. Okay. This is done. Then we will assign a AWS resource. So what resource we are using in this video? We are using S3 because we are uploading our local file to S3. So we are using S3 as a resource. Okay. And in the third step, we are uploading file. So we upload file using s3.meta.client.upload file. So here we will give the complete file path of our local file. So this is the local file we are going to this is the local file we are going to upload on S3. So if we see this, we can see that this is the file which we are going to upload on S3. So here employee ID, employee name, department, and salary is a CSV file. So first we will copy this path and paste it here. Okay. So this path is copied, but to pass this in Python like this, you have to give double backslashes. Okay. So replace single backslash with double backslash. Go there, and at last pass the file name. This is employee.csv, not comma. This is .csv. Okay. And here you have to pass the name of the bucket. So what is the name of the bucket? So here in S3 we are using data query pros named bucket. Okay. So copy and paste it here, and at last you have to pass the key. So what is key? So whatever you store inside a bucket, after that either it is a folder or file. So whatever after this data query project path will come, that is known as key. So this is a bucket, and inside bucket, if you are using, if you are storing any file or folder, that path will known as key. So here we are only using this file. So we are not assigning this inside any folder. So we will give this as our key. Okay. So this whatever file we upload will be saved on S3 as employee.csv. Okay. And in the last step, if this step will completed, then in our log file, it is stored as file uploaded successfully, or If any exception occurred, then that exception message will store in our log file. So now we will run this one by one. So okay, here is one error. So first we'll remove this. Okay, and now run this second step. So log file step is now run. And finally, if we run this one, so you can see that no any exception has occurred. And now if we check on our S3 and refresh it, so you can see that our file is uploaded on S3. You can verify this by opening it. So we cannot open it here. So either you have to download this or okay, try this one. Open. Okay, so open also download this file in our local system. So if we open this one, so you can see that this is the file which we had uploaded on S3. Okay, now we will check the log file. So the log file will stored as local to Redshift and today's date. So today's date is 2005. Okay, so here it is 0520. So this is the and this is the log file, and you can see that file uploaded successfully has come inside the log. Now we will do some error, and let's see this is a storing in error is a storing in our log file or not. So now we have passed some invalid bucket name, and if we run this command again, so we have not seen any error. But is this error code in this file? So if we refresh this, so you can see that the complete exception message is inside our log file. So the log file is also running good. This is also storing the successful part, and also it is storing the error part. So I hope you have understood this video clearly. And if you have any doubt, so comment this. I will try to figure out your comment, and I will also put this code part in the description box. So hope you have enjoyed this video, and you have understood how we can move our local file to S3 using Python. So we will meet in the next video, and in the next video we will try to create tables on S3, and also we will create table in local MySQL for storing log files. So thanks for watching this video. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.